How them a say so? Talking about the girls gum done. Like them a tell for the girls, man. The gum can't done. And the girls have the gum to the maximum. Straight up. Watch ya, see ya, come here. Who said that the girls gum done? Lie them a tell because the gum can't done. Who said that the girls gum done? I lie them a tell because the gum can't. The woman them fat and them sexy, fresh and them young. Just like a tree stand tent to blossom. Not to mention now them full up of the gum. Them have the one come can't come stick it to the gum. That's your use and that's your use and I want come can't come stick it to the gum. That's your use and I hold me down. See ya. That the girls gum done. I them a tell because the gum can't done. Who said that the girls gum done? I lie them a tell because the gum can't done. What me do? Go there yesterday and me buck up and go. Me go there this morning and me buck up and go. Me a go there again because me want more gum. See ya now me want more. And me come down from me head to me waist can't twist and turn. From me knee go down can't twist and turn. But the one of me waistline can go wine and go round. It can ease up to me come down. Said that the girls gum done. Lie them a tell because the gum can't done. Who said that the girls gum done? I lie them a tell because the gum can't done. You say the uptown girls, them have the gum. Downtown girls, them have the gum. You say the English girls, them have the gum. New York girls, me say them have the gum. Canadian girls, me say them have the gum. And them no have little bit, them have to a maximum. Culture with the place, but the mic a talk long. Who said that the girls gum done? I lie them a tell because the gum can't done. Every time me go there, yes me have fun. I no lie me a tell and I no joke me a run. Who said that the girls gum done? Lie them a tell because the gum can't done. Who said that the girls gum done? I lie them a tell because the gum can't done. The woman them fat and them sexy, fresh and them young. Just like a T-star, to bless up. That's the shadow, they full up on the gum. Them have the one come can't come stick it to the gum. That's your use and that's your use and I want come can't come stick it to the gum. That's your use and I hold me down. See ya. Who said that the girls gum done? I them a tell because the gum can't done. Who said that the girls gum done? I lie them a tell because the gum can't done. Sharon and Susan, Pamela and Blossom. Uptown, downtown, all around town. All of the girls them full up of the gum. Come the gum, the gum, the gum, 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 the gum, the gum. Yes, them have up the gum, the gum, the gum, the gum, 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 the gum, the gum. See ya, watch ya. Who said that the girls gum done? I them a tell because the gum can't done. Who said that the girls gum done? I lie them a tell because the gum can't done. What me do? Go there yesterday and me buck up and go. Me go there this morning and me buck up and go. Me a go there again because me want more gum. See ya now me want more. And me come down from me head to me waist can't twist and turn. From me knee go round can't twist and turn. But the one of me waistline can go wine and go round. It can ease up to me come down. Who said that the girls gum done? Lie them a tell because the gum can't done. Who said that the girls gum done? I lie them a tell because the gum can't done. Go there yesterday and me have fun this morning and me have fun. Go there again because me want more fun. What the lyrics I man a fling down. See ya, turn up and the sit down, me sit down.